In this video, I will show you a motion control tool that can literally replace Kling AI. The amazing part is you can generate up to 20 minutes video at once. Also, you can use open source models right from your browser and get to use them completely free every single day. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. First of all, open any browser and search for Floyo AI. Here is the first website we need. So open this website. Now tap on Sign Up. You can either log in directly with Google or create a new account using your email and password. Also, temp mails are working on this site. Sound good? I'm logging in directly with Google here. Alright, now it will ask you to enter your username. Check the box and go ahead. Finally, here is the main interface of the website. One important thing. As soon as you create your account, you will get 15 minutes of daily usage time on this platform. But here's the deal. Those 15 minutes only count when you're actually creating something. So your timer starts only when you hit the generate button in your workflow. Let me show you how to find workflows. Just come right here and click on Browse Workflows. Here, you can type Scale in the search bar. This is the exact model I will show you today. Scale to motion control, which is really an awesome model. So look, you can open it directly from here. Just right-click on it, choose Open Link in New Tab, and it will open up on this screen. Then simply click on Open Workflow, and it will load right up on your screen. At first glance, it might seem a bit complicated, but trust me, it's really easy. Just move a bit the video upload node to the side, and you will see the image upload option clearly. First, come here and load your video. You just need to click on Choose Video. Select your video and upload it. See, I'm importing this video for now. Now on this second node, you need to upload your image. Click on this small icon and upload your picture, just like I did here. Now, there's only one thing left for generation video. Hit the play button. As soon as you click it, the video will start generating and a small preview will show up on the screen. You will see a countdown timer. It might take a little time, around 5 minutes or so. But no worries, because you get 15 minutes free every day. So, you can try multiple times in the same day. Like this time, it took me about 2 minutes. That means I can generate 7 or 8 more times today. And the results came out perfect. To download it, right-click and go to Save Preview. That way you will get the video without the watermark. So, that's the amazing video. To get more of these type of contents, simple hit the subscribe button, make a good comment below, and I will meet you in the next one.